So I got that thing on nice and snug. Now you just connect the connectors back together on the sensor, and don't forget what goes where. I mean, it's simple. Just pull this wire up. You pull the connector for the TPS over it. You snap that back on. Bam. Grab this for the IAC. Snap that back on. Bam. Done. Don't forget about this hose. That goes on top. Push that down, and you're good. Forget about the battery terminal. That goes on there. Go ahead and put that back in the box. Tighten your battery down. So get in, man, and start it up and see if I see any changes. I'm hoping I do. Make sure this hose is on properly. That's good. Let's go start it up. Bear with me. Let me see. Is this back on good? Yep. That's everything's good. Okay. All right. So anyways, so like I was saying before, man, I was getting a whole bunch of issues. Poor fuel economy. Had problems shifting as well. I forgot to mention that. Yeah, let's start it up, man. Let's see. Okay, oh, that's because I disconnected the battery. So yeah, let's start it up and see what we get. Ooh, right away. Definitely sounds different. I don't feel no shaking or anything like that. Let's throw it in reverse. See, before I used to get the needle going up and down in reverse. Oh, you know what? The gas pedal feels a lot. Oh, you know what? The shifter feels a lot better as well. Gas pedal feels a lot better. Definitely shifting a lot better. You know what I might do, fellas? I might take it for a spin, and then that's the only way really I could tell you if it's did its job. But so far, it's so good. I mean, I'm driving around a little bit and see if the check engine light came on. I'll check back with you guys in a minute. All right, guys. So I'm taking it for a spin, and the check engine light hasn't came back on yet. I'm definitely happy, man. My car feels like it's running 10 times better. It's not shaking and not stumbling, and it isn't shutting off on me on reverse or at the stoplight. It's doing much, much better. As you can see, before, my max, my miles per gallon, max was like 12.7. That was my max, but already I'm at 19.2, man, and it's climbing. But so yeah, I definitely think about the fuel economy is better. Man, my gas pedal feels a lot better. Shifting feels better, man. Everything is just better, guys. So that definitely 1000% was the problem. TPS sensor, the throttle position sensor, man. That was definitely my problem. I'm not saying it could be yours, but you definitely want to check that out before you go spending tons of money on parts and stuff and replacing a whole bunch of shit like I did. Yeah, so you definitely want to check that out. I believe you could check your TPS sensor if it's bad or not by doing the same thing you would do to the IAC, which is unplugging it while it's running, and if it, you know, if it runs better or something like that, or if it stumbles and shuts off, it's bad or something like that. You know what? I don't know. I'm not 100% clear. I'm not 100% sure. But like I said, man, I'm not at all professional, man. I'm just a guy, man, who rather save money. But so yeah, man. Oh, 20. Damn. I'm so happy right now, guys. I don't have to. No check engine light. So yeah, man. I hope this video helped you guys out. I did my best, man. Show you guys how to install it. I mean, I may have did it wrong. I don't know, man. But you know, shit. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop your questions on the bottom of this video, and I'll do my best to answer them. All right, guys. You guys go ahead and take like a second to hit that like button. If not, man, it's greatly appreciated just for you watching, man. All right, guys. Take care.